So, hello everyone. Uh, I got this question and how I'm using AI in my day-to-day lives. So, basically, I'm using AI in programming questions where are difficult to find the edge cases. Like in programming, we have lots of edge cases, and few of edge cases are very critical, and we do not like generally we do not able to think about that. So with the help of AI, I am trying to find out those edge cases, and with the help of that, I am trying to optimize my code. The another thing that I am doing with the help of AI, I am creating short notes with the help of AI. Basically, AI is generating the short notes of the whole chat, and it helps me to memorize those concepts at the end of the whole chat.